So my YouTube crashed, so I had to reset the stream. I didn't end it. My YouTube crashed, so my stream had to be reset. So this is part 2 of the last stream, basically. So you see how the skies are getting dark over there. There's another band of rain coming in, a convective band, that is. This is not one of those. This is not a band, a main band. This is more of a convective band, and it's more of the oriented northwest to southeast. So and it's moving towards the northwest. It's oriented from southwest to northeast, and it's moving towards the northwest. So this band is convective, and it's more linear, and it has some more wind with it, more wind energy than the first band. So I don't know if it's gonna be like the first band where it's like just a torrential downpour, or if it's gonna be more just with breezy rains. The way it's oriented, it looks like it's gonna bring a lot of wind with it. And there's an even heavier band that is like off the coast of Long Island. I may be here inside of an hour or so. Let me look at the radar one more time. Here comes the winds. Wow, it's getting windy. I'm getting a little chilly now, guys. Whoa. Oh, never mind. That's a guy. He's fixing something there. I thought that was the winds doing something to the scaffolding. A little scare there for a second. Yeah, there's one more band of very heavy rain to come in right now. Look at that scud. I mean, it is racing. Like, it is really racing from the east-southeast. That is some really fast-moving scud. Yeah, it's kind of noisy. And there's a band of heavy rain from down the street. Even though it's not raining where I am, it's hardly raining at all. There is a wall of like a moderate to heavy rain from down there. It's not going to be. I don't think we're going to get any more flooding. That is, I think we're done with the really heavy rain. Now we're going to be getting some strong winds coming in. As we pass that first band kind of held the strongest winds, kind of like shielded us from the strongest winds. Well, here comes the rain now. Now it's on top of me. And now I can't see the scud anymore because it's kind of blocked by the rain. Now we're getting some moderate to heavy rain again. With some gusty winds. Yeah, I mean, this definitely feels like a tropical system. The air does feel very tropical and humid. Oh, here comes the rain. Yeah, now the rain's gonna get really heavy again. Whoa! Woo! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay, that's some pretty gusty winds there. Wow, that was some pretty strong winds that just came in. That was about a gust of about 30 miles, 35 miles an hour. Wow, I mean, just look at the street. And now the skies are getting very dark down here. which means there's going to be another downpour. Wait, let me check the radar one more time. The rain should stop in about a couple minutes and should taper off to a really light drizzle. I'll be back. I'm just going to look at the radar one more time. Right at the 6-minute mark, I'm going to switch off, look in the radar, and then come back. Actually, you know what? Hold that thought. I just saw someone joining, so see someone watching, so I will hold that for a moment. Now you can see the clouds, the scud. The drizzle's getting lighter. We just had a downpour from a band. There's more coming in. In fact, as I'm looking that way, the visibility still looks really poor. So the visibility still looks really poor down there because they're still having a downpour, whereas where I am, the rain stopped. In fact, there's actually a clear slot coming in just to my south. But we have a couple hours to get to that clear slot, as we still have a few more bands of rain coming in. But in between each shower, there is a chance of a few peaks of sunshine. Now that the rain stopped, I can finally go out of my shelter. Wow. I mean, I was stuck here for almost an hour waiting for the rain to stop. It kind of did. It's only lightly drizzling right now. I'm going to take this opportunity to head on home. Also charge up my phone a little bit. Wow, the rain almost completely stopped. You see those two items there? They were carried by the floodwaters that are still here. The stream is still very active because we've been getting nonstop rain for several hours. I don't know how many inches we got, but I think it's in an order between 4 and 5 inches. Maybe between 3 and 5 inches, very likely. See some pretty bright skies coming in. We might, as I said, we might get a few peaks of sunshine. It's not out of the question that we might. But we're still embedded in the band of rain, but the band is now more broken up. But now it's probably going to be more of a gusty wind threat. There definitely is a chance for damaging winds today because it's very windy. Winds are only going to increase as the center of circulation gets closer. But finally, the rain stopped, and it's still really warm and humid outside. I mean, look at that. Look how fast those scuds are moving. I mean, damn. Those scuds are moving mighty fast. It almost looks like a tornado, but of course it's not a tornado. Whoa! Now the winds are picking up. Now we're getting winds. Some really strong winds now. Oh, those are like 30, 40 mile an hour winds now. That was probably a gust of 30 to 40 miles an hour. Wow. Those scuds are really, really racing along. Now we're getting the tropical storm force winds. Yeah, the city is definitely now in the tropical storm force wind. Basically, this first band kind of separated the lighter winds from the stronger winds. Because these scuds are racing even faster than before. am getting some incredibly strong wind right now. I gotta go right now. I gotta tape this. I'm gonna tape this on my phone. Thanks for watching. Bye.